The process of changing the meanings in the vocabulary of the English language. Неизвестных Полина Александровна. Introduction. The process of changing the meanings of words in languages is called semantic derivation or semantic shift. Etymology and semantics are engaged in the study of semantic shifts. Is there such a process in English? Yes, because languages are constantly developing. Object: to show the presence of semantic derivation in English. Materials and methods. After studying dictionaries and the etymology of words, the following were selected. Number 1. Gay. Until the 17th century, the word gay had nothing to do with a person's sexual orientation, but meant only carefree and cheerful. The transition to the modern meaning took place gradually. At first, the word gay began to be used to refer to people who lead an immoral lifestyle. It was only by the middle of the last century that the word gay became synonymous with homosexual. In the modern English, gay is used in relation to both man and woman. Number 2. Gossip. Information that is passed from one person to another about other people's life. The word gossip in Old English called godfather or godmother, then in Middle English a friend or a neighbor. In the 16th century, anyone who entered into a conversation began to be called that. This eventually led to the current meaning. Number 3. Clerk. Someone who keeps records or accounts in an office. Till the 13th century, this was the name of clergy priests. Since in those days only they were literate, the word clerk began to be used for anyone who could read and write. By the 16th century, the word had acquired a modern meaning. Number 4. Cloud. A white or gray mass in the sky that forms from very small drops of water. In Old English, this word meant pile of stones or a hill. In the 14th century, it began to appeal in the meaning of cloud, because clouds in the sky look like rocks and hills. The former meaning gradually disappeared completely from language. However, in modern English, there is a similar word, clod, a lump of earth or mud. Number 5. Awful, very bad or unpleasant. In modern English, awful means terrible and also means beautiful. Both adjectives come from awe, a sense of great respect and liking for something. They were previously synonymous with awe-inspiring. At the beginning of the 19th century, their meanings diverged. The word awful has acquired a negative annotation, and awesome has a positive annotation. Results. The process of semantic shift exists in English as well. Given the rapid development of the language in our time and the constant emergence of new words, this process will continue and probably never end. Key words: development, meaning, etymology, semantic shift or derivation.